Now I told you very simply, what is your work, energy and power. Listen carefully so you can remember for the long time. What is your work? First work. What is your work? Work formula is equal to force multiplied by displacement. Force multiplied by displacement. If we apply the force on the body and it undergoes the state distance, it move to the straight distance, and this straight distance multiply the force applied body, we can get the work. So work is equal to force we apply the body and the straight distance, that is displacement, it is called as the work. What is the energy? Energy is nothing but capacity to do the motion, capacity to do the work. When the body can move, we can say yes, the body can possess the energy because it undergo the motion, because it go to the motion. Our body has energy, so we can go from one place to another place. Similarly, so the energy is nothing but capacity to do the work or capacity to do the motion. It is called as the energy, measured in joule. And what is a power? Power is nothing but rate of doing the work, work divided by time, work divided by time. If the body can go to this very fastly, go from this point to this point very fastly, we can see the powerful body. It has a powerful body, it requires the less time to cover the displacement. If the body can move very slowly, very slowly, then we can see less powerful body. It requires the more time to go this from this point. So power is nothing but how fastly or how slowly the body can move. How fastly or how slowly the body can move. We can say the powerful body if the body does quick motion, and we can say yeah, this is a body has a less power, it move very slowly. This is the power rate of doing the work divided by time share.